So fall has come, 2021, and this is the woodshed that I made. Notched it in with logs, hand-hewn log woodshed. Should have a good pile in there for most of winter, I guess. And this is the woodshed I made last year, also a workshop. So there's the cabin I built last year. Been living in it all summer while I was building this house. I built that house completely by myself. This one I used power tools. The other one, actually I just used hand tools to build that one. Both of them are pretty square, level. Got a solid roof on there. Just moved in, so tonight's our first night sleeping in the cabin, the new cabin. And not done yet with it, really. It's got a wood stove in there, and probably be nicely heated. Use log posts. This is the porch area entered the structure from. Got a deck up there, like a balcony type deal I built. I'm still working on it. Still kind of got to finish this roof a little bit, a few more boards. But yeah, it's coming together, came together early September. Fall is in the air. And so that means that winter is right around the corner, and it's coming fast. Also built this little gen shack over here. That's where my generator is going to go. Still working on that, of course. That right there is the sauna room, that little cube with the window. Don't have the sauna heating in yet, so not gonna take any saunas this year. But yeah, the building season is over, and looks like I've completed the task at hand, which was to build a house, which is completed and looking pretty comfortable. Feeling pretty good in there.